Tape www.suividecolosénégal.com. À École au Sénégal, c'est facile, tu n'as qu'à te connecter. Tape École au Sénégal, les leçons sont beaucoup plus détaillées.
Okay, now we are going to talk about differences between the present simple and the present continuous tense. Okay, differences between present simple and present continuous tenses. Now, present simple tense. Now, it is a tense which is used when the action expresses a situation which is happened in the present or at the time being. So we have an action which is happening at the time when I speak. This is an action which is happening at the time when I speak. It is an action which is happening at the time of speaking, or at the time of speaking, or at the time of speaking. Now, at the time of speaking is, for example, John moves to abroad. John moves to abroad. This is an action which is happening at the time of speaking. This is John moves to abroad. For example, my classmates read the text. This action of reading a text is happening at the time of speaking. This action of moving is happening at the time of speaking. This is at the time when I speak. This is at this time. This is present simple tense. And now it is also used for an action which expresses a habit, or an action which expresses a habit. For example, when they have John always moves to abroad. John always moves to but here we have expression of habit because we have always, which is expression of habit. John always moves to abroad. We have expression of habit. And when they have expression of habit, so we generally use the present simple tense. Example, my classmates For example, read the text every morning. My classmates read the text every morning. So they have every. Every is an expression of happy. Now, so we use the present simple when they have expression of habit or expression of a time of speak or time of speaking. So this is the use of the present simple. Now that's possible to use the present simple for an action which expresses a general truth. For an action which expresses a general truth, for example, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. It is a general truth. General truth is a truth which is general. This is example, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Or for example, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The sun always rises in the east and sets in the west. This is not an exception. This is a general truth. General truth is, I say, something which is general, a truth which is general. This is general truth. Now we have water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. It is a truth which is general. Now the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. This is a truth which is general. Now this is how to use the present simple tense. Now this is different between the present continuous. So we have present.